Hi everyone, it's Christine down at Big Lakes Dodge in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we have a 2024 Ram 1500 Rebel. This is in the Hydro Blue Pearl. Has the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 with the MDS and etorque, also your 8-speed transmission. You're going to get an e-locker rear axle, backup camera, full speed collision warning. Does have heated seats, heated steering wheel. You've got some Wranglers on there, so you got some nice good tread. Let's take a look inside here. So as with all Rebels, I'm sure you know, you get the red accent trim. So it is a leatherette and cloth insert material. Bucket seats, so you get this nice full-length console in the middle. A little bit of storage here on the side. You do have two glove boxes. So there's one on the top with the nice Rebel stamp, and then this one down here has your owner's manuals, as well as this covers your electric wiring if you take the tailgate off. All-weather mats. And again, that red detail continues on into the door here. You do have some storage in the bottom, as well as you've got power locks and power windows. Going to the back seat. So it is a crew cab, so tons of legroom. Again, that red follows into the back here. These flip up for plenty of storage space. Your all-weather mat stretches all the way across. You do have some seat back pockets and a little bit of storage area, maybe for a cell phone, something of the sort. Okay, so again, you got your Rebel graphics there, which really stand out on this Hydro Blue Pearl. It does come with a Class 4 hitch with your 4 and 7 pin wiring. Dampened tailgate, so you just let that fall. And then there is, you have the rear window, power sliding rear window up there. All right, go on to the other side here. And I'll show you just how much room can go if you flip both of these up at the same time. Tons of storage space. You can fit so much stuff in here. And again, if you just want these down, just pull them down. And then your cup holders are here in the middle. Okay. You do have heated mirrors, which are power folding. So if you just hit the button on the door, that one there, they go in and out. Again, you have power adjustable seats with lumbar support. You do have power adjustable pedals. Those are controlled with these here. So I don't know if you can see it very well, but they are going down, or you can bring them forward. We'll hop on in and go through some of the features. All right, so again, on the driver's door, you have your power locks, your child lock windows, your power windows, your mirrors, as well as your power folding mirrors. And then this is to adjust your mirrors where you need them. You have your headlamps with auto setting. This one over here adjusts the dash brightness. And then you have your electric park brake. And then that is where your pedal adjusters are. I'm just going to start this up. And normally I do this afterwards, but I like the way the screen starts up. See the Rebel in there. So this does come with Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple Carplay. The driver's screen is pretty customizable. You can use the arrows there on the steering wheel, and it just scrolls through. Vehicle summary, trip info, navigation, all sorts of fun things to do on there. Your power sliding rear window is this one here. And then you can just use that to close it. So it does come with the RAM app. So you'll have the assist buttons and the SOS button. Assist is if you need a hand setting anything up in regards to the app. And the SOS, if you get in an accident or you feel like you are having a medical emergency, you can just hit that and get yourself some help. It is a 9-speaker Alpine system with a subwoofer. You do have your auto stop start. So if you're at the stoplight or a drive-through, your vehicle's up to temperature as well as the engine, it will shut down if you hit the brake and you're idling. You don't have to do anything special. Just take your foot off the brake and it will start itself. If you don't like it, you can just shut it off with that. RPM limiter and your axle lock. All right, so on the nice 12-inch screen, you can customize these how you want with these little pencils up in the corner. So say I want to put the seats and the wheel up there. And then say I want, let's go with climate. So you can just change those how you want them. Media, obviously, this is where you get your Sirius XM. You can do your AM, FM, play from your phone or USB device. Comfort, pretty standard. You got your heated seats, steering wheel. If you want, you can set auto temperature so it will maintain. It's currently on 20 degrees right now. If a passenger is cold or warm, they can adjust their own. If I can hit it with the phone there. And it will maintain 2 separate temperatures for you. Navigation, you can have full screen. And so that just pops up where you are right now. If you need to go somewhere, you can hit these 3 lines. Search, you can change your settings in here so it can avoid construction. You can change the alerts how you want. All sorts of things to play with in there. You can keep track of trips, add your work, add your house. Adding your house is handy if you're in Edmonton and you're all turned around, and you can just say, go home, and you can get out of Edmonton, no problem. In phone, this is where you would pair your device. Easy peasy. Vehicle has all sorts of different settings. So this main settings here is to customize everything how you want it. So you got your safety and driving assistance, which is just your automatic emergency braking, your clock and date, navigation, doors and locks, lights, key off, brake services, trailers. I'll get a little into that over in the dashboard right now. So just so many things that you can customize in here. Audio settings, etc., things like that. So in controls, you can activate your rear view camera if you'd like without putting it in reverse. And also you do have an auto mirror, like rear view mirror dimmer. So if someone's behind you, it will dim it down so you're not being blinded. All right, so the dashboard, you do have off-road pages. So you've got your steering angles, your accessory gauges for your temperatures, and then my personal favorite, the pitch and roll. I remember when I was a kid, we had a very old Toyota something. We used to have these built right in the dash. We used to spend hours watching them. All right. And then towing and trailers, you can set up different trailers. So this would be trailer 1. You can name it, boat, horse trailer, whatever you want. Sorry, I went out of there too fast. You can set how you want the braking, so that way you don't have to play around with the trailer brake control. Once you select your trailer, it remembers what you wanted it at. Apps is just a one-stop shop for all your separate items that we have down there. So you can just access everything from this one spot. Okay, so you do have physical buttons as well as your digital buttons there. So driver side, passenger side. This is your traction control. tow haul mode. You do have some charging ports down underneath. You have a sliding cup holder and little storage space, so if you just hit that button there, pull it back, it opens it up. Place for your cell phones. There's some more charging ports down there. Tons of storage. So this opens up, as always. You got your first tray with some charging ports. Second tray. Now if you move this forward, you can see all sorts of other customizable storage down there. All right. So if you're looking for a gorgeous, affordable, one of the last Hemis out there, come on down to Big Lakes Dodge in High Prairie and come and take a look at this one. And it's nice because it's summer and she'll be glinting in the sun. I'll see you guys later.